काउंसिलर और कैबिनेट मेंबर वसीम जफर की मदनी मरकज फैजान मदीना स्टैचफोर्ड बर्मिंघम यूके हाजिरी का सिलसिला हुआ। निगरान काबीना से मुलाकात का सिलसिला हुआ। इन्हें तोहफे भी पेश किए गए, जबकि इस मौके पर इन्होंने मदनी चैनल को अपने तासुरात भी दिए।
It's spreading the fragrance of the love of the Prophet. It's all over the world.
I'm very, very grateful that the brothers have invited me here, the brothers from Darul Islami, to visit their fantastic facilities here. And I've been hugely impressed. I know a bit about your work previously, obviously I follow the television channel, but I've been hugely impressed listening to you about some of how you're working across communities to tackle some of the key issues affecting our community. I'm also really pleased that we've got this fantastic institution based in our city, spreading love, peace and harmony, and spreading the real message of Islam. Unfortunately, more so in recent years, Islam has been hijacked by the minority who are out there spreading hate and division. And in response to that hate and division, we need institutions like Darul Islami spreading love, peace and harmony, and spreading the real message of Islam across communities, educating our young people about the real Islam, because sometimes unfortunately young people do go onto the wrong path because they not follow the real and true version of Islam. So I'm very grateful for the fact that you've invited me. I look forward to working very, very closely with Darul Islami and the brothers and sisters here in Birmingham to make sure that whatever their needs are, we can meet them, but also utilising your excellent services in order to get the right messages across. Jazakallah.